Coming into my RV park now. Don't look good. Notice the snap power line that feeds our RV park. How high do you think the wind had to be blowing to do this? Notice the white skid mark where the wind pushed the trailer sideways. Well, my trailer was rocking in the wind. It almost went over. They lifted it up enough to blow that heavy block out. So my trailer almost blew over. Thank God it didn't. I noticed some people left their trailers hooked up to their truck and they took another vehicle to leave, and their trailers did not move. It would take a lot more wind to push that truck, so think about that when you have to evacuate. Even if you want to ride it out, keep your truck coupled to your trailer for that added weight.